save.
So you've got the smart
Are you
board.
going to need this equipment back here? You're going to need to get into and scan?
I just need the barcodes. So
That might be easier said than done.
smart board.
I mean, I have them marked down here, so...
So you're just scanning each of the bar tags.
I scan, then hit save, and then
So you have your scanner and your device paired.
yes,
Okay.
through Bluetooth.
Okay. And again, if you didn't have this device, then you would have to bring a laptop with you. Okay.
Correct. I would have to bring a laptop, and after walking with a laptop for a few rooms, it's gonna be kind of heavy.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is so much easier.
So you're even willing to put your own.
See if you can
use
see
your
the
own.
printer one. Yeah, I think it's at the back.
Got it. Thank you.
Because I didn't see it on the sides, so... Process of elimination.
And it's good. It also gives you a list of the ones we've already done.
Okay.
So that way, let's say I forgot
Yes.
if I did the monitor, I just did check over here whether I have it already.
Okay.
And I do. So
So
check
okay.
on that.
All
And
right.
then there's the projector.
Then you
Got
got
good things about this guy, so...
this guy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And that's it.
That's
Do
it.
you have any like digital cameras or anything else with bar tags in the closets or anything like that? Projectors. Okay, we're good. Thank you.
No, you took the one projector that was broken, and this is the... I doubt you want to take that with you.
That's the remote for it?
That
I'll
was
take
the remote that went with it.
it. Okay.